Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using the Harvest Hellos bundle, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using Harvest Hello bundle, and we're going to be using this apple to an A+ teacher, You Make Me Smile, the stem, and the leaf. So we're going to start with our stamping. I have a piece of PEAR PIZZAZZ and my PEAR PIZZAZZ ink pad. I lost my train of thought. Alright, so just going to put it kind of low here, just like that. And let's see, I'm gonna get a piece of garden green, and the PEAR PIZZAZZ, and the little leaf. That was mounted on clear block A, and this was mounted on block D. Let's see, I think that is all the PEAR PIZZAZZ we're using. I'm going to come in with my Merry Merlot and get the To an A+ teacher, and I want to put it right in the center of the apple, just like that. And then I have another piece of PEAR PIZZAZZ, and this is for the inside of our card, and this is measured at 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have the You Make Me Smile on block D, as well as the To an A+ teacher. And I'm just going to put it right there in the middle. And that's all that we're using the Merry Merlot for. I have a piece of Early Espresso cardstock and my Early Espresso ink pad. So just like that. All right, that is all the stamping we're doing. And I'm gonna come in with my punch. Isn't that cute? Get my stem. And then my leaf here. And then, of course, our apple now. And this is super cute. You can turn it into a pumpkin, a jack-o'-lantern. It's very versatile. All right, so I'm going to get my mini glue dots, and I just want to put one on top of the stem. Just like that, and then I'm going to get another for the leaf. Just like that. All right, so let's start putting this card together. I have a piece of designer series paper from Come Together, and it's measured at 3 3/4 by 5. I'm just going to adhere this down with some snail adhesive. Next, I have a piece of Merry Merlot, and that is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have the scalloped linen ribbon. And that is the Pretty Peacock. And I'm just going to put this over in the middle with some regular tape. Make sure it's straight. Alright, and I'm going to adhere that down with some SNAIL adhesive as well. And our card base is Pretty Peacock, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4.25. Alright, so just like that. Going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals for my apple. So just like that. And then I have the Noble Peacock, not mobile. It's not going anywhere. And these rhinestones, I'm just going to dress up the apple a bit. All right. And then we'll get the inside of our card. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple teacher card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!